Watch this video and let me show you how I made a barbecue smoked polony slider with peri peri mayo that was homemade, cheese, coleslaw and gherkins. I've got my 2 kilograms of chicken polony here and I'm going to make something so delicious. Here we go. I'm going to score this just by cutting about 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters down and then do it vertically, and I'm going to go all the way around. The opposite direction. Now that I've scored the polony, I'm going to lather it with mustard, and don't worry, you will not taste this mustard. This is just for a binder because this rub will not stick to it unless you lather it. I'm going to put this Braai Heroes barbecue rub, and you really don't need to be shy about it because the more you can put on this, the nicer it's going to taste. I'm just going to do the edges. I'm going to start this at a low smoke, let everything get heated up, and then I'm going to put it on 120 degrees Celsius and cook for 2 hours. I'm making my homemade smoked peri peri sauce, so I started off with 2 red peppers, 2 red onions, 3 bird's eye chilies, and a whole clove of garlic. Added some olive oil and it went into the Traeger at 120 for 2 hours. Once that was ready, I put it all in the blender, and then I added some lemon juice of half a lemon, olive oil, red wine vinegar, some paprika, and then a little bit of honey. Actually a lot of honey. Once that was blended up, my homemade peri peri sauce just needed to be cooked a little bit, so I added it to a pot. I did it on a low heat for 20 minutes, added some salt, and it was ready. It was smelling absolutely incredible. Just to make my homemade peri peri mayo was easy. I added just some peri peri sauce and some mayonnaise, and I gave that a mix, and my sauce was ready. I'm going to start making my coleslaw. So I'll add the raw coleslaw here. I'm going to add garlic mayo, and lastly some barbecue spice from Barbecue Heroes. I'm just going to mix this up. And lastly just some Italian red wine vinegar. My polony is ready, it's looking delicious. Now I'm just going to cut it up into burger sizes with these scores that I made, and then we're going to sear it on the pellet grill. Look at this beautiful smoke ring we got. It looks absolutely delicious. I'm really excited to try this chicken polony, it's going to be yum. Now that this is piping hot, I'm going to start searing these. These are finally ready. Now time to build my delicious sandwich. It's cool. I'm so excited to tackle this bad boy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers. Even though this is absolutely enormous, it is so delicious. The homemade peri peri mayo is incredible. The smoked chicken polony is absolutely amazing. You've got to try this at home. Let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.